is Ghulam Rasool Bhutto. I belong to Ghotki Tehsil Obaro, Sindh province, Pakistan. In 2010, my brother was killed, in which the only killer of my brother was sentenced to life imprisonment. But he was freed after a few years and his killer returned home. In 2013 or 2014, my sister Kausar was kidnapped. In 2016, I married Zarina of choice, due to which my wife's relatives and influential elders issued a fatwa to kill her. They looted my house, my property and everything. An FIR was filed on behalf of the state since March 18, 2018. I have been protesting outside the Islamabad National Press Club with my wife Zareena. But still I have not been able to get justice. And we are tired of protesting. But neither I nor my family got protection from the government of Pakistan, nor did we get justice. On the contrary, I have 2 daughters. One of my daughters is on the streets. She is 4 or 5 years old. She is sick and disabled. Sometimes the Islamabad police demolish our camps there and shift us to the police station and take away our belongings. The life of the camps is very worried. I have a message with hope. It was very difficult to get your number. I want to live well with my children and family, but the Islamabad media is not giving us any coverage. I keep raising my voice through social media. Please help us as a human being. I don't have that much education and I don't have any connection. Local NGO and local human rights don't help us. I will be waiting for your reply. I hope you will be with us. Will give.